this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Windows security in Windows 11. So I'm going to show you a temporary method of doing this and also a permanent method as well. So first go and open up the Start menu. You can then search for Windows Security and click on this option here. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click on Manage Settings. You'll then see Real-Time Protection. Go and turn this off, and that's how you temporarily disable Windows security. Now if you want to permanently disable this, then you'll need to open up the Start menu, search for Registry Editor and click on this tool here. Click on the drop-down arrow next to HKey Local Machine, click on the drop-down next to Software, and then scroll down and click on the drop-down next to Policies. You can then click on the drop-down next to Microsoft, and then click on this Windows Defender folder. Now once you're inside of this folder, go and right-click in the white space, click on New, and select DWORD 32-bit value. Now go and type in Disable Anti-Spyware, and make sure to use a capital D, a capital A, and a capital S. You can then press Enter. Now go and double click on this file, go and change the value data to 1 and press OK. You'll then need to go in, restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, Windows security will now be disabled.